Okay, next is about the substation. Substation is the place where we'll kept transformer basically. Okay, like suppose I just gave you the example that job will Akran exam and further electricity. Now from Punjab, electricity coming to Delhi, right? Delhi, we have to place a substation which converts the very high amount, like like suppose 440 kilovolt, it needs to be converted into 11 kilovolt. Okay, so I believe that's a very big kind of transformer. So that transformer is placed in a substation. This is the picture of the substation. Okay, so what does this substation include? The main part is the transformer, okay, where we need to convert the voltage from up level to the high level. Next, we need the lightning arrestor. Lightning is the device which is used to absorb all the lightnings, thunderstorms happened in the sky. Okay, so whenever you'll see, just go outside and then there are three lines, the RYB, and one line which is very above the three wires. Okay, that wire is for the basically to protect the lightning, because whenever there is a thunderstorm or lightning, that lightning will fall the first line, right? Then that will absorb the light by the lightning shock. Next one is the circuit breaker. As you know, function of the circuit breaker just like our MCB, but MCB is at small level or circuit breaker bade level. Yeah. What is the function of circuit breaker? Like if there is an extra current, then in that case it would be trip off. यही होता है घर पे. Whenever there is an extra current, then MCB will be down. MCB form is like this. Nature circuit, but in the substation we'll use big kind of circuit breaker. There is same function of the isolator to break the circuit. Okay. One, there is a control room. Control like ऐसा नहीं होता that we have to go in the substation and remove manually. Open and close करना है. We don't need to remove it manually. We'll have a control room, connections all over there. So we, if we want to do any changes, then we do by control. Okay, like as you can see, these are the distribution lines. हमें if we need to load shedding area की supply काटनी है, you know ना. Like suppose sometimes we do not get electricity from the government side, so we put it in the control. Okay, one will have instrument transformer. Instrument transformer is CNPT. Basically it's a current transformer and potential transformer. So it is used as a measurement purpose, that we need to measure the amount of current, right? Or we need to measure the amount of voltage. For that measurement purpose, we need instrument transformer. So whenever they'll give you the question related to the substation, just cram all these parts and write little bit about all these parts. Okay.